Everybody comments all the time, she looks so sad. I swear she's not. She's very sweet. She just wants attention. If you're not looking at her, that's when the paws come up and his little, I'm over here. She was found in a dumpster. My friend sent me a picture and mommy's little face was like so cute. And I was just like, game, I'll take her. After you see that face, you can't really forget it. The first day we brought her home, she just looks miserable.
The second I set her down, she jetted out under the first thing we couldn't reach.
I was like, I think we made a mistake. I don't know if this was the right match.
For the first 2 or 3 weeks, she hissed at us. We could start petting her, but she always made sure to hiss.
She's just a simple girl. If you walk towards her, she'll just kind of be like, oh gosh, somebody's coming. I've never had a sweeter kitty before. I call her Angel Baby for a reason. She's just a little piece of heaven wrapped in fur. He's mischievous and he's also very smart. He's into everything all the time. I'll come out in the morning and I can see what he's done at night. Stuff in my bathroom's on the floor, stuff in the kitchen's on the floor. What's special? They're each other's only friends. We couldn't ask for a better matchup. They're the perfect yin and yang to each other.
They definitely get upset at us, but we've never seen them upset at each other.
It reminds me of growing up. You feel like you have siblings, but it's not friends.